In this objective question, they are directing us to specify the correct option, mentioning the allele capital A frequency in a population. For this, let me understand the given population statistics. In a population of 1000 individuals, 360 belongs to genotype capital A, 480 to capital A, small a, and the remaining 160 is indicating a homozygous recessive allele. With this specification, let me apply the Hardy-Weinberg equation so that we can arrive at the correct answer. The Q square is indicating homozygous recessive. P square is indicating homozygous dominant. 2PQ is indicating heterozygous condition. With this specification, we are saying according to Hardy-Weinberg principle, P square plus 2PQ plus Q square is equal to 1. Or else we can say another way around, P plus Q whole square is equal to 1. So A square or AA or P square is equal to 360 out of 1000 individual. So we are specifying the P square as 36 out of 100. Q square is nothing but 160 out of 1000, or Q square is equal to 16 out of 100. So Q equal to 0.16 equal to 0.4. Why? Because P plus Q equal to 1. So P is 0.6. With this specification, we are choosing option C as a correct option after avoiding option A, B and D to secure 4 marks.